Today, we are making the juiciest 1-hour barbecue short ribs right here on Impossibly Kosher. Starting off, we're going to trim off the excess fat and silver skin from the short ribs. This part doesn't render or cook and isn't really edible. The easiest way to remove silver skin without wasting too much meat is to tilt the blade slightly upwards so as you cut it, it doesn't cut through your meat. After trimming, you're left with this, a beautiful set of short ribs. Now, let's make our marinade. Starting off with low sodium soy sauce, and adding in some sesame oil, kosher salt, black pepper, garlic powder, but you can use fresh garlic, ginger powder, lemon juice, and finally some brown sugar. Mix it properly and then get your meat in and coat it all over. I like to put the meat in a freezer-safe Ziploc bag, add the marinade sauce into the bag as well, shake it up, and we're going to get that in the fridge for 24 hours to let all those incredible flavors sink into the meat. Now, when you're ready to cook, set your grill up for a 2-zone cook and let it get nice and hot for about 15 minutes or so. Then, add your ribs to the direct heat, bone side up. Put your cover back on and leave it for 2 to 3 minutes. When you lift that cover, twist them to get nice markings on the meat, and flip them to each side for about 1 to 2 minutes. Look how incredible that is already. Juice is dripping off the meat, and we just got started. Once the bone side has a nice and crunchy look to it, time to switch it to indirect heat. Get the cover back on, adjust the heat to a low temp, and leave it for a good 45 to 50 minutes. After 50 minutes, this is what's left. Incredible looking, succulent, juicy ribs. Now let them rest for 10 to 15 minutes. As you cut into it, you can see that incredible pink color on the inside. Those juices just oozing out, and those ribs that just couldn't get any better. Don't forget to click the subscribe button below and the little bell to get notified of incredible videos just like this one.